Donington Park once again delivered another thrilling chapter in the 2020 team and its star rider, Valentin Debise. After qualifying 7th on the grid with a Superpole lap of 1 minute 29.289, Debise wasted no time making his presence felt. The Frenchman launched aggressively when the lights went out, immediately joining the lead pack and matching the pace of the frontrunners aboard Yamaha, Triumph, Ducati, and Kawasaki machines as they battled fiercely for position. Although he stayed within striking distance of the top 5 during the opening stages, Donington Park's demanding layout left virtually no room for mistakes. Every lap featured intense wheel-to-wheel action, with even the smallest error capable of costing multiple positions. Debise remained focused on maintaining a consistent pace while extracting the maximum performance from the ZXMOTO 820RR against a highly competitive field. By the checkered flag, Debise crossed the line in 8th place. He recorded a fastest lap of 1 minute 29.216 and finished just over 10 seconds behind race winner Tom Booth-Amos. While the result wasn't enough to return ZXMOTO to the podium, it secured valuable championship points in the battle for the 2026 WorldSSP title. Debise's performance also played a crucial role in keeping ZXMOTO among the championship's most competitive manufacturers. In the constructors' standings, ZXMOTO sits 3rd with 205 points, trailing only Yamaha and Ducati while remaining ahead of Triumph, Kawasaki, Honda, MV Agusta, and QJ Motor. The next challenge is turning consistency into victories. If Debise can rediscover his peak form and ZXMOTO continues improving the competitiveness of the 820RR in the upcoming rounds, the fight for the 2026 World Supersport Championship is set to become even more intense.